What's up, YouTube? I just got my treats from Treatland.tv. That's where I get all my moped parts for my Sprint Tomos. So let's get this thing open. Let's see what we got. Oh man, that was a nice shot of marijuana. Alright. That's probably not what's in there. It's probably not a tube. But if they sent me a free tube, I will not complain. Oh. I think I know what that is. Oh man. You gotta love their packing paper. Next level. Oh man, I got a bunch of fucking Tomo stickers. I asked them to send me Tomo stickers and they actually did this time. Along with a Push Magnum sticker. Taco Club, you gotta be a part of the Taco Club. I think this. That's it. Alright, here's everything. Let's start with this. I'm gonna clean all this up later. These, I'm gonna guess, these feel like foot pegs. Yeah, these are most likely foot pegs. Oh yeah, some new foot pegs. This is nothing. Alright, let's see what's in this little box. I'm just gonna rip it open. Only got one hand. Oh, here we go. This is the Parma kit CDI. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's gonna make me a fast boy. Alright, what is this? Oh, I think I know what this is too. One second. Really should probably get a tripod if I'm going to do this. Okay, here we go. It's a new kickstand. The kickstand on my Tomos now, it doesn't clear all the way because of my new exhaust pipe, and it scrapes the ground on turns, and we don't want that. Oh, my sticker dropped. That's gonna be for the end. Those stickers, you're gonna like those, hopefully. All right, let's see what's in this. Oh, there's one of the stickers they gave me. Damn it! It's supposed to be a surprise. But ever since I've been asking, ever since I've been ordering from Treatland, pretty much, I've been asking them to send me some Tomos stickers, just to be like funny, not really funny, just to give it a shot, because I want some Tomos stickers for my Tomos. And they've always sent me Push Magnum stickers, I guess, to be funny back. And they finally sent me a Tomos one. Oh yeah, here we go. Got a new fairing. Got the gloss black. Oh yeah. Oh man. Hell yeah. All right. Get this off the ground. Okay, moving on to the next one. I think I know what this is too. Oh yeah, pretty sure. I think this is the Putsch high compression head. Opening the box, sorry. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Hell yeah. That should make me a fast boy too. This is what we've all been waiting for. Me specifically. Hold on. Hell yeah. It's the MLM crossbar. Sweet. This is the bar I was saying in my previous video that was gonna go from under the seat to where the handlebars are. Man. Shit looks sick. Alright, I'm gonna go put all this shit on. Before I put it on, I just wanted to show everything that I got. That's the fairing, some new foot pegs, a new kickstand, a new CDI ignition with no rev limiter on it, a new high compression Putsch head, MLM crossbar, a brake light switch, tail light bulbs, the small and the big one, and a little stash box. And here's the stickers. I've been asking them to send. They sent me the Tomo Sprint stickers. I don't know if I'm going to put them on yet or just put them on something else, but I'm definitely going to keep these. Also got some Melosi stickers and the Putsch Magnum. But I'm going to go put this on. Thank you guys for watching.